Welcome to Annual Conference 2023. In this video, we'll be looking at the programme features. All sessions can be found here on the programme page, with a tab for each day of the conference at the top. You can also use the left-hand navigation to filter by topic, location, or session type, and search for specific content here. To create your own personalised programme, click on the bookmark icon, or select Add to my schedule when you're in a session. You can find all your saved sessions in the My Event area here. Click into a session to find out more information, including the date, time and location, learning objectives, and to see who's speaking. For oral abstract sessions, click into the presentation to view the full abstract. All sessions will be available to view on demand for 3 months after the conference. Our help desk will be available throughout the live event, where you can find frequently asked questions about the conference and contact the support team. We hope you enjoy the conference.